Hello friends, now I'll show you how to change asset. Asset means if you want to change this background image, then how you can change this background image. I'll just show you. Then you can manage it. Alright, so I will just download new background image. New background image, alright. Then I will download this. After download this background image, I will download this image. Alright, folder, okay. Now if you want to change this background, then you can double click here. Okay, then you can remove and you can import new background image from download folder. I just download this now. No. Okay, I'll just do this one. Okay, now I can just drag here. Okay, so this that's it. You can change your asset as you want according to your need. Thank you for the watching. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Bye.